Welcome. So discussion of today is links. What are the links in HTML CSS, or how they work? So as here you can see link from one page to another, and from this to another. If we talk about the syntax showing on your screen, open and closed, you can paste the link between this syntax to visit the page. The main word is used to create the link is href. By using this complete syntax or address of the link, you can create the full link like this. On web page, there will be just click me button showing when you click on this, you will move to the next page which is linked and same as go on. Now I am telling you what is the link and how it's working. Basically, a link is called the hyperlink. Link is defined as when you click on and you will move to the next page or jump to another document. If the text will be a link, you can take mouse on it. Its icon will shift in hand form. Link must not be a text, it can be a picture or any other element. Here the syntax is showing on right bottom of the screen and link is in front or middle of the screen.
Now I am going to tell you about the href attribute, and this is very useful attribute. So for using this attribute you will use letter A here. This is the syntax of href attribute. Anything you wordty between the colon or link you wanna give between the colon will address of that page or image, and anything we write here will be the given name as I am giving it. Click here, or we will go to any folder or select any page, file or image which we wanna address. As I am selecting this, so right click on it, go to security, and here you can see here's the address. We copy this and paste it here or save it now. So here on web page, after refresh, here is the link. When we click it here you can see the link is created.
Now quickly I will give you a small example, as here you can see the last button is click here. We are going to create 3 more buttons. First of all, after going to Visual Studio Code, I am copying the same syntax and paste it there, and now editing it, changing its name from click here to button 1. And give it the address of our first image. Like here you can see I can copy it from here and paste it here or save it now. If we open our web page, you can see here after refreshing we got the new button if we click on it, so here you can see the results. Same as I am doing with other 2 button. Now it's done. As here you can see, if we click these button, we went to new web page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.